Hello guys, welcome everyone. Today we will show you easily and brief steps for making a flight plan for a flight route from San Francisco International Airport to Los Angeles International Airport. We will obtain the required data needed to be typed in the CDU of the FMC from a famous site called SimBrief. This site contains a free flight planning software for flight simulation, and to feel a more realistic experience, we will get a real flight number for a real airway lines from a site called FlightAware. Here we go. This is the main page of FlightAware website. First we click here. A drop menu will appear. At the upper right side, we click on Search by Route, which will take us to this page where we may type in the origin airport and the destination airport. The origin airport is San Francisco International Airport, having a letter code KSFO, and the destination airport will be Los Angeles International Airport, having a letter code of KLAX. That's it. Then we click on the search button, which will take us to the next page where many real flights appear, as you see. On the left side of the page there are several filters from which we only need to specify the flights of our aircraft Boeing 737-800. We do this by clicking on Only. As you see, we clicked on Only to show us flights of our desired aircraft only. So we may choose here one of these air flights. Let it be American Airlines. This is flight number AAL3247, which shows us this page from which we will only take the following data. Flight number AAL3247, airway lines AAL, the letter code of American Airlines. Departure gate is B16. Arrival gate is 42A. Now we move to the website of SimBrief to get our flight plan data. Here we go. This is the main page of SimBrief website. We click on Dispatch System in the drop menu under Dispatch. It will take us to the following page. Then we click on Create New Flight. We will go to this page where we will type in our data. The reddish color fields are for the mandatory data required to be typed in to enable the site to produce the flight plan data required and which we want to get. We type in the departure airport, which is San Francisco International Airport, KSFO, and the arrival airport or destination airport, which is Los Angeles International Airport, KLAX. These are the letter codes of San Francisco International Airport and Los Angeles International Airport. And to have a more realistic experience, we type in the airway lines and the flight number which we have obtained from the FlightAware website. Here we have chosen this one, American Airways AAL, and flight number AAL3247. Then from the aircraft's drop menu here, we select our beautiful bird, the Boeing 737-800. Here she is. As soon as we select it, and instantaneously the site makes its flight plan calculations, producing the main routing data related to the flight plan, some of which are as follows: an alternate airport, KONT, as you see here, Ontario International Airport. By the way, the letter K as a prefix indicates the airport is located in the United States, as assigned by ICAO. ICAO is an international civil aviation organization, which is a very important aviation organization that have 193 states following, and this organization gives the letter codes to all the airways around the world and to all the airports as well. The aircraft may change its route by changing the destination airport to this alternate airport in case of any emergency condition that may exist at the main destination airport. Also, you will find speed climb profile and the descent profile. Here we should change the units from kilograms to pounds as far as we are flying in the United States. Also, you will find the travel time and the departure runway, arrival runway. Also here you find the selected route with its SIDS and stars. SIDS stands for Standard Instrument Departure. STAR stands for Standard Terminal Arrival. As you can see here, the seat is SSTIK5, the waypoint here, and also it represents the transient is SUSEY. Then the airway here is eBay. After this there is another waypoint which also represents transient, BURGL. Then the star IRNMN2. Also we have a map here showing the flight route, as you see. Now to generate the flight plan, we click on Generate Flight button at the upper left of this page. Here the flight plan is generated by the website, as you see. Now the flight plan is generated already with all the necessary data required, as you see here: flight number, call sign, departure, arrival, alternate airport, aircraft type, departure time, arrival time, as you see, block time, which is the travel time or the flight time, altitude is 35,000 feet, coast index 29, route distance is 331 nautical miles, average wind here is 291 degrees with speed of 39 knots. Usually the wind is defined by its direction, this is in degrees, and by its speed in knots. Then many other information you can find here, the loads also and the fuel required. If you may go down here, you can find the flight plan downloads, and then you may click on show details. Then also go to the end of this page. Down here you will find the flight plan files recommended for the X-plane, as you see here. Save this file in the FMS plans folder following this path. As you can see here, path is X-plane folder, then output, then FMS plans. To have all the flight plan details in a PDF form, click on View PDF here. As soon as you click on it, here are all the details of the flight plan with 36 pages, as you see here in the upper left. It is called OFP, Operational Flight Plan, including everything, all details you need to know, and you need to type in the CDU of the FMC. Remember, the CDU is the Control Display Unit, and the FMC, of course, is the Flight Management Computer. And there are much more data than you may need, and we may not need to go through all these data, of course. There will be a separate video for programming the FMC as soon as possible. Wishing you find something useful in this video, and if you do, then please subscribe. Thank you.